Qualcomm is set to push the boundaries in the PC segment with the upcoming launch of the next-gen Snapdragon X2 chips as a successor to the Snapdragon X series of ARM chipsets for laptops. The forthcoming Snapdragon X2 chips are likely to be launched in the near future, bringing advanced technology and a major focus on artificial intelligence. The chip is poised to be integrated with cutting-edge technology such as dedicated NPUs for improved performance for both Team Blue and Team Red, who've recently developed their AI-powered chips. The Snapdragon X2 moniker has appeared alongside the Ultra Premium tag, which indicated a more robust chipset. Currently, there's only a Plus and Elite option, but there's likely to be soon a Snapdragon X Ultra version 2. Users can expect enhanced performance, upgraded NPU, and improved graphics performance. According to a credible tipster, shipping manifests the upcoming Snapdragon X2 is currently under development, listing it as part of the Ultra Premium tier. It suggested the X2 is expected to come up with several significant upgrades in contrast to its predecessors. Although only the Snapdragon X2 Plus and X2 Elite variants are currently confirmed, leaks have been made towards the robust Snapdragon X Ultra. The forthcoming Snapdragon X2 series will continue Qualcomm's focus on ARM-based chipsets, offering improved performance, upgraded NPUs, and enhanced graphic capabilities. These chips are likely to launch later this year.